Vaporesso Switcher with NRG kit. What's going on there, YouTube? CJ back at you from the Straight Vape. I know. I keep saying I'm going to do all these videos and then it takes me forever. But check out this shirt. Ask me about vaping. Whoop, whoop, not blowing smoke. Check them out for some advocacy stuff, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about this guy here. The Vaporesso Switcher mod with NRG energy tank. Vaporesso was kind enough to send this over to me. And it's a dual 18650 regulated mod, temp control, all the jazz. A couple of the nice things, pretty cool different things about this kit is the fire button is on the front, which at first I was like, I don't know, but it's actually it's like right where you need it to be. I actually prefer that better than like on the side fire button or a thumb deal. I really like this mod. The fit and finish of it is very, very nice. It comes with the Omni board that Vaporesso came out with, and that same board's in that Cartel Revenant mod, and other manufacturers are even using it. So the mod is pretty solid mod. Let me actually pop this tank off because I want you to see this 510. That 510 is pretty beefy. It's pretty solid. It's held on with some torque screws, so it's not like, it doesn't look like it's a two-piece 510. No, it's an old load. So I'm not going to go over the menu and everything. There's other reviewers that do all that stuff. I just give you my opinion and give you kind of a once-over. Try to make these videos fairly quick. So one really cool thing about this, and the reason it's called a switcher, is because you can switch the case, and all you do is open the battery door. You don't have to take the batteries out and slide it off. It's that simple. Here, I'll just throw this yellow one on there. So they sent me this yellow one. So if I slide this gray one off, which I actually really like this gray, if I slide that off and then I slide that on, and boom, now I got a yellow and black mod. That simple. So this is really cool for people that want to change things out. There's like 6 different colors, I think. This is also nice for vape shops because then they don't have to buy 6 different mods or have one. They just need to buy a sleeve. So pretty cool idea. And that sleeve is on there solid. Like it's not. There's no rattle. It's not loose at all. Once you lock that battery door, she's good to go. The tank, the energy tank, I think it's been out for a while because I had one before. It's interchangeable with the smoke or smock Baby Beast and Big Baby Beast coils. Although I think the Vaporesso coils are better. I like the GT2, the 0.4 ohm. 0.4 ohm, that's what I've been rocking on here. It's my preferred vape. But yeah, this is a solid kit. I have no idea what the pricing is on them. Let me throw you out some specs real quick. You get the mod, you get the GT4 coil, which is the four coils. The user manual, the tank, USB cable, which actually USB cable is pretty nice little unit there. A GT8 coil, replacement glass, owner's manual, all the standard fare stuff. Made out of stainless steel. Let's see, they got like 6 different coils for it. Quick charge system. Where's the specs? Gosh, you'd think I'd done videos before or something. Here we go. 26.5 millimeter tank, holds 5 mils of juice, 510 stainless steel, 220 watt max. It's 53 by 31 by 89 millimeters. The display is nice and bright. I will say this, for all these mods that have these clocks and stuff on them now, none of them seem to keep the right time or anything, but this one does. Even if I take the batteries out and put them back in, it seems to keep the right date and time. So that's definitely a plus for me. Again, just the feel of it. See how it slightly tapers to the bottom? It feels really good in my hand. I've been carrying this as a daily banger for probably a week and a half now. So that's what I got for this Vaporesso Switcher with NRG tank. It's a solid mod. I would definitely recommend it. you know, even for somebody, you know, if they don't want all the bells and whistles, because it's the Omni board where you just screw the tank on and it automatically sets the wattage. You know, even for beginners, this is a great kit. Let me see. I don't know how much they are. I'm sure they're probably reasonable. Let's see. Vaporesso Switcher NRG kit. Let's see, my Vapor Store, $79.99, $74.99 at Element Vape. So, you know, $70-80, but you get a kit. You get a dual battery, dual 18650 mod, tank, 2 coils, all the spares and parts and bits and bobs, whatever. You know what I mean? So it's a nice little setup. Now, we do have the Freemax Fireluke mesh. I'm going to do the drawing here for that very, very shortly. And also, I will have another giveaway coming soon. Vaporesso also sent along this Cascade tank, which I have to say is really, really nice. I've been actually using that on this switcher mod. Where is it? Oh, there it is. But we'll talk about that in another one. And yeah, so that's it. So yeah, if you like it, you know, why don't you give this video the old thumbs up? Leave a comment below, and make sure you subscribe. Check me out on Facebook. I've again not been posting much there, but maybe if people started liking the page, might, you know, drive me to actually give you guys some more content, or maybe it's supposed to work the other way around. I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling, so yeah, let's just wrap this sucker up. So until the next time, guys, you keep your vape game strong, and I'll see you in the next one.